Hello South Africa and welcome to the Weather Center. It's going to be mostly cloudy with light rain and drizzle this Thursday for much of KwaZulu-Natal. Pushing into eastern Mpumalanga, further into the northeast, we are going to stay with isolated thunder showers for much of Limpopo, the Mpumalanga Highveld, Gauteng, and the eastern areas of the northwest and Free State. Mostly sunny and hot weather continues over the central and western interior, extending down into the interior of the western and eastern Cape provinces. Just a 20% chance of light rain and drizzle is forecast this Thursday for much of KwaZulu-Natal and maybe the easternmost areas of the eastern Cape. A 40% chance of thunder showers further north in the Mpumalanga province, much of Limpopo, Gauteng, and the eastern parts of the northwest. Let's take a look at your top temperatures for your Thursday afternoon. It's going to be warm to hot for most of the eastern areas. Polokwane and Mbombela warming to around 28. Hotter as we go towards Gauteng, even hotter across the northwest. Mahikeng shooting to 36. A sizzling 38 is forecast for Vryburg. We are expecting a hot one as well for much of the Free State. Bloemfontein warming to 38. 30 for the high in Queenstown. Fairly comfortable temperatures as we go towards the southern parts of the eastern Cape. Temperatures in the upper 20s are forecast around Pietermaritzburg. We are also expecting highs in the upper 20s for Richards Bay and Durban, and it's going to be pleasantly warm for East London and Port Elizabeth. The fresh winds are forecasted between Port St. John's and the Port Elizabeth area. Across southern South Africa, it's going to be sizzling hot this afternoon. Temperatures in the mid-30s for most areas. Oudtshoorn and Robertson shooting to 36, just a degree cooler as we go towards Worcester. It's going to be fairly warm along much of the south coast and the southwest coastline, and we're expecting moderate southeasterlies between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay, and the swell heights of the south coast will average around 2.5 meters coming from a southwesterly direction. It's going to stay hot across much of northeastern South Africa. Highs in the upper 30s for Upington, Prieska, and Kimberley. Hot as well for Springbok and Calvinia, warming to around 33 degrees. We are expecting a warm day for Alexander Bay, warming to around 26, but it's going to be hotter as we go further south along the west coast. Cape Town warming to around 29. Swell heights of the west coast will come from a southwesterly direction and will average around 2.5 meters. Here's looking ahead to your Friday. It's going to be mostly sunny and hot across western South Africa. Upington shooting to about 40 degrees. Thunder showers are forecast over northeastern South Africa.